Hello everybody, I'm Jaden and I've been asking for a fidget spinner for about 2 weeks now, and my dad finally got one, giving me one, and it's a Batman fidget spinner. I really hope it's like a good spinner and it spins really good. I'm gonna open it right now. Oh my god, I almost broke it, but this is a really good, like at the, forgot what it's called. It's really comfortable. I like the bat ears. I like the little spike on the bottom. It's a really good a fidget spinner. It's because like I like the Batman style, and also it's like it spins good. If you can see, my sister got one. It's a green one right here. It's a green one right here. You just spin it like this. It's a normal one. It spins like really good. And I'm gonna show you guys a few tricks of that's my dad using it. That's a few tricks that you do with the fidget spinners, and I hope you guys are gonna like the tricks. So the first trick is you get the little pad right here. You take it off. It's really easy. And you get the pen. I actually learned this from YouTube, and I forgot what his name called that showed me. You get a pen, and then you get the little hole inside. You get the pen, you stick it in there, and then you put it more down. I don't know how, but I saw a YouTube video where you're supposed to put it all the way down. I'm gonna try it with the regular fidget spinner, see if it works. The regular fidget spinner. Putting the thing right in here. I don't know how, but usually put it here. Oh, you need the cap, I think. You don't? No? Okay. So you usually you send it like this, and then you spin it, but it doesn't work for me because I forgot how to do it. It's probably because this is not the right pen, or I'm doing it wrong, or I'm doing it the wrong way. I'm gonna use this another pen that my sister has. Here, let me take this out. Put this one in. This one's too fluffy. Here you go. And I just I like using it without the caps because that it makes it I like it because it kind of makes it even more faster. Really kick. So I'm gonna show you guys another trick I've found out. I just learned how to do it. Let me just put these back together. So what you do is you spin the fidget spinner like this. And you're supposed to balance it on your thumb for I don't know. There's this another trick where you just throw it up in the air and you try to catch it. It's hard. It's hard to do. It's so hard to use. Isabella can use the Batman if she wants. She can use it. It's really fun. If you see, my dad is this is his first time touching it. He's actually really good. He spins it better than me because I don't spin it that fast, like that, if you can see. He like really knows how to do the bouncing on your thumb really good. It's like so hard, but the trick I really want to learn is like you throw up and you catch it. This. We have another one, but it's my cousin's. It's a black one of the normal one. What? Huh? I can't take it. I don't know. You think she knows this? Huh? Okay. Bye guys. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for what? Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We have a really small channel, so I really don't go to down below and click the like button. I really hope you guys click the like button. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I already said that. Well, I really want you to subscribe. So bye guys.